Hello and welcome. My name is Vakile. Welcome to this lick here. It's a pretty short lick. I'm gonna do it in sequences. Although we're gonna do sequences a lot, I'm gonna create a series called Guitar Techniques, and it's gonna focus on these techniques. Sequences. So I'm playing here in the key of. So that's how it does it. That's the lick there. So it goes. You can do that twice. Chugum, chugum. But the very thing that I want to explain is the sequence itself. This sequence here goes. Now let's hold the chord first. This is the chord here, and it's this is C. And that's D there, that's a D flat. Let's call it a D flat or C sharp if you want. But I'd play D flat then. So we're in D flat. Now in the D flat we're doing a diatonic sequence here. Now let's try to do a Do Re Mi here. So we're starting on the 6th here. And we harmonize it with the sequence. Harmonize the major scale with the sequence here. So you start off with the 6th, with the 5th here, then you hit the 6th, and then back to the 5th. Then you move over to the 4th, and you hit the 4th, and then this 5th, and then release to the 4th, and so on. So then here you cross over. You have to be careful because you are playing a string that is down there, number 1, and string number 2. Okay, so let's do the crossover. Now you end on the 5th of that of the D flat, which so there's so many ways of ending it. So, and then you can do your, or you can play any other thing. But what I wanted to show you is the lick here, this particular part of the lick. And it will feature a lot when we find out some ways of descending to the home bass or ascending to the home bass. What you might want to use these sequences. Then you're at the home bass. Then you can start playing. You can start playing what you want to play there, but the thing is you have descended with a lick. So you really have to plan how you end it, because there are so many ways of ending it. As you have just seen, I've ended it in too many ways. But what I want to highlight here is the lick itself, the sequence. Okay, this sequence here is using 2 notes. Okay, 2 notes, and when we go into the sequence series for the guitar techniques, I'll explain the type of sequence that we are doing here. So, just to recap, I've started from the 6th. The notes I'm interested in for the sequence are. Sorry. 7th and then 5th. Okay, so that's the 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, and the 5th, which is an octave from. Okay. Oh, can I end it? Oh, it's all acceptable, man. And, enjoy yourself. Thank you very much. My name is Vakile. Learn that lick, please. It's a very important lick, and learn. Try to sequence things. I'll show you a lot of sequences after we do the scales. Cheers. Bye.